What's up, Ram fam? Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic morning. Where we're at, it's a little chilly, so we got that sweater weather going. But if you're new, please subscribe. Go ahead, hit the bell notification. Today's video, what we're gonna do is work on that Dodge Charger 392. It's a 21 Scat pack, but you know how they come with the bumper guards from the factory or from the dealer? Well, they forgot to take it off. It's not a big deal because we have you covered today. And I'm gonna show you how quick and easy it is, 5 minutes, if that, to go ahead and remove them.
All right, so there's 2 retainer clips on each side, so a total of 4 because there's 2 bumper guards. So what you're going to do is take a flathead screwdriver and then put it under. There's like a little divot in here. So you're gonna put it in and then angle it towards you to where the full flathead screwdriver is basically in there, and then pull it out.
So basically what that does is just like a safety fastener. So you pull it out, because then if you try to pull it out while it's still pressed in, it basically makes the other side fat. So when you bring it back down, it's like a locking mechanism basically. So we're gonna do the same thing right here, show you one more time, and then you're gonna repeat for the other side.
So you do that, angle it, pull out, and then voila.
Bam. And then you're gonna go ahead and look all that snaz. You wanna go ahead and clean that up, but there you go. It's all taken off. So we're gonna do the other side and show you a after. Here is the after. So we showed you how to do the driver's side. Now I'm gonna do a separate video on fixing that because the dealer on the license plate, you can see the 4 holes. I told him not to go ahead and put it in the front. Now I know legally you need one in the front, but it just ruins the look of these cars. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that there. So once again, thank you for watching. Hopefully that was straight to the point. Fairly easy. That took us maybe a minute, 30 seconds per side. And hopefully, if you have the same issue or wondering how to remove them, this video helps. Please consider subscribing, and thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.